Please sit in Vajrasana. Chin Mudra on both your palms. You will focus only on exhalation. Pull the stomach in with every stroke. Keep your eyes closed. Your shoulders and arms relaxed. Let us begin. First, take a deep breath in. 1. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. We will practice one more set. Observe yourself and your breath. Second set, take a deep breath in. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And relax. If you're feeling slightly giddy or if your breath naturally stops, this is normal. For Bhastrika, sit in Vajrasana. Place both your palms by the side of your body. Make a fist. When you lift your arms up, you inhale, and when you bring your arms down, you exhale. There is forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation. We will do 2 rounds, and in each round, 20 strokes. Keep your eyes closed. Let us begin. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. Exhale. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. Exhale. Relax. Please observe your mind. Your breath may stop naturally. Your head will feel light. You may feel dizzy. This is normal. Once you're relaxed and you feel normal, we will practice one more set. This time, place your palms on your knees. You will lift your shoulders up and down. Keep your eyes closed. Let us start. Inhale, exhale, 2, exhale, 3, exhale, 4, exhale, 5, exhale, 6, exhale, 7, exhale, 8, exhale, 9, exhale, 10, exhale, 1, exhale, 2, exhale, 3, exhale, 4, exhale, 5, exhale, 6, exhale, 7, exhale, 8, exhale, 9, exhale, 10, exhale. Once again, keep your eyes closed, relax, and observe yourself. Nadi Shuddhi. Chin Mudra on your left palm. Place the palm on the left knee. Nasika Mudra on your right palm. Block the left nostril. Block the right nostril with the right thumb. Keep your eyes closed. Exhale from the left nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the right and exhale from the left. Inhale from the right. Close the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale right. Exhale from the left. And relax. Please practice regularly to see benefits. I hope you like this video. Thank you and namaste.